Assalamualaikum students, welcome to the third video of chapter 9 safety. In this video we will cover the book work and the copy work of this chapter. So let us move on. First of all, I want all of you to do the book work. So I want you to open page number 65. Us par there is this exercise. Now you know we will do this. Write yes or no. So we need to read these statements. ये three statements हमें given है. We need to read these and we need to write whether it is yes or no, whether we should do it or we should not do it. Okay, so we will read one by one and then see if it's right or wrong. We should walk on the footpath. Should we walk on the footpath? Yes, we should always walk on the footpath and not on the road. So write yes with the sharp pencil over here. We should lean out of the bus while traveling. Should we lean out of the bus while traveling? बाहर निकलना चाहिए बस से जब बस चल रही हो, and that's a no. So we will write no over here. So we should never lean out of the bus while traveling. The third is we should always go with an adult for swimming. So the answer is yes, because whenever we go swimming, it is important that we take an adult with us. Now that adult could be even your swimming instructor. Moving on. Now we will do the exercises at the end of the chapter. So the first exercise, exercise A, is fill in the blanks with correct options. So यहाँ पर दो options दिए हुए हमें and we need to pick the one which is correct. Okay, and we'll read all these 8 statements one by one and see which option is correct. Do not touch electric switches with dash hands, dry or wet. So they are talking about electric switches. So हमें switches कब नहीं touch करनी चाहिए? जब हमारे hands कैसे हों? जब हमारे hands wet हों. So we will tick mark on wet over here. So do not touch electric switches with wet hands. Okay. Number 2. If your toys are lying around, you may dash over them. अगर आपके toys इधर उधर पड़े हुए होंगे ज़मीन पर, तो आप उनके ऊपर क्या कर सकते हैं? Play or trip. You may trip over them. So the correct answer is trip. So we will put a check mark. So if your toys are lying around, you may trip over them. Number 3, you should not hide in a dash. You should not hide in a cupboard or garden. You can always hide in a garden. You should never hide in a cupboard. So the correct answer over here is cupboard. You should not hide in a cupboard. Number 4, wear dash clothes while bursting crackers. Silk or cotton. So when you're bursting crackers, what clothes should we wear? We should wear cotton clothes क्योंकि वो easily fire catch नहीं करते. So cotton is the right answer. We'll check that. Wear cotton clothes while bursting crackers. Number 5. While playing, do not dash others. Push or tease. So the correct answer is that push. So while playing, we should not push others. Okay. Never shout in your friend's dash. Never shout in your friend's ear. Okay, so the correct answer is ear. We'll take mark on ear. Number 7, you should not dash in the bus, talk or shout. So you should never shout on the bus. You can talk with each other. Number 8, or the last one, is always go with an dash to the swimming pool. Pet or adult? ये हमने पिछली exercise में भी अभी करा था. So the correct answer is adult. So we'll take mark on adult and you can even write it in the blank. Always go with an adult to the swimming pool. So this was exercise A. We'll now move on to the next page, which is exercise B. Exercise B says cross out the unsafe option. So यहाँ पर हमारे पास 6 questions हैं and with each question we've got 3 statements. और इन तीनों में से 2 सही हैं और एक गलत है. तो जो गलत स्टेटमेंट है उससे we will put a cross mark. So we'll read each statement and then we'll see कि इन तीनों में से कौन सी is the unsafe option और जो कि हमें नहीं करना चाहिए. So play with matchsticks. Should we play with matchsticks? No, it is very dangerous. So we put a cross over here. Moving on. Do not touch electric switches with wet hands. So that is a correct thing to do. We should never touch electric switches with wet hands. So इसको हम खाली छोड़ देंगे. Do not climb the windowsill. Windowsill हमें नहीं climb करनी चाहिए. That too is a safe thing that we should not climb it. So we'll leave this too as it is. So we will only cross out the first statement, which is play with matchsticks, because we should not play with matchsticks. Number 2, do not hide in the cupboard. So yes, we read about it. We should not hide inside the cupboard. So this is a correct statement. So we will not cross this. Do not leave toys around. We should not leave toys around, or else we can trip and get injured. So this is a correct statement. This is a safe option. So we'll not cross it. The third one is touch electric toasters. So we should not touch electric toasters because we can get electrocuted. So this is a wrong statement and it is very unsafe for us. So we will put a cross mark over here. Moving on to number 3. Cover your face while sleeping. We should not cover our face while sleeping because we can suffocate. So we'll put a cross mark over here because this is the wrong statement and it is very unsafe. Do not push others while playing. We should not push others while playing, and this is what the statement is saying. So the statement itself is correct. Always burst crackers outside your home. So that too is correct because we should not burst crackers inside home. Okay, number 4 पे हम statements पढ़ते हैं. Never shout in your friend's ear. So yes, that is true. We should not shout in our friend's ears. So we will leave the blank. Hold the swing support on the swings. So we should, whenever we are riding the swing, we should hold the support so that we don't fall off. So that too is a correct option. It's very safe. So we will not cross this out. The last one is do not be careful on the jungle gym. So on the jungle gym, we should always be careful. So this is a very unsafe option if we are not being careful. So we will cross this out. Number 5. Play with glass toys. We should never play with glass toys. So ये यहीं पर ही गलत हो गया. This would be a cross. Next is, if anyone is bleeding, tie the bandage tightly. So if anyone is bleeding, हमें खुद से bandage tightly नहीं tie करना चाहिए. In fact, we should call on others. So we'll leave that. If anyone is bleeding, we can tie the, I'm really sorry about that. We can tie the bandage tightly ताकि bleeding stop हो जाए. ठीक है? So that's a correct option. Do not eat leaves and fruits you do not know. So we should not eat leaves and fruits that we do not know about. So this is a correct option. So we will not cross this out. Number 6. Do not tease animals. Yes, we should never tease animals. ठीक है? Stay close to the swing when someone else is swinging. So this is a wrong thing to do. Whenever someone else is swinging, we should stay far from it so that we do not get hurt. So this is the wrong statement. It is very unsafe. So we'll cross that out. Number 6 is always go with an adult to the swimming pool. So yes, this is right. We should always go with adults. So we will not cross this out. Now students, I would want you to open your copies and I hope you've all made the title page of the chapter and fill in the index as well. Now we'll do the question and answers in the copy. So you need to write the questions with a blue pencil and your answers with the regular pencil. So we'll start. Question number 1. Why should you not cover your face while sleeping? Why should you never cover your face while sleeping? The answer is because there may be suffocation. Because ऐसा हो सकता है कि आपको सांस आने में मसला हो, which is called suffocation. So because there could be suffocation, we should not cover our face. So the answer is because there may be suffocation. Question number 2. What care should you take if your friend is swinging on the swings? If your friend is on the swings and they're swinging, what should you do? So the answer is we should not go near the swing. We should always stay far away from the swing. So the correct answer is that we should not go near the swing. हमें दूर दूर रहना चाहिए. Now, if you need time, you can pause the screen and then write your answers and questions. And once you're done, we will move on. So question number 3 is, give 2 safety rules you should obey when you are in or near a swimming pool. So over here you need to write 2 safety rules that we should always obey when we're either inside a swimming pool or near a swimming pool. So the answer is number 1, always go with an adult. तो हमने बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ा है कि we should always go with an adult. Number 2, do not go into the deep water. So we should always stay in shallow water. सही है, we should not go in the deep water. So the 2 safety rules that we should follow are, number 1, always go with an adult. Number 2, do not go into the deep water. Moving on, question number 4. Question number 4 says, Write 2 safety rules to be followed in a moving bus. So now we need to write 2 safety rules that we should follow in a moving bus. So the answer is number 1, do not put your hand out of the window. We should not put our hand out of the window. So number 1 is do not put your hand out of the window. Number 2 is on the next screen. You can pause this if you want to complete it. And now we'll do number 2. Number 2 is do not fight or shout. We should not fight or shout. Okay. So now we will move to question number 5. Question number 5 says, what should you do if you get hurt? So if you ever get hurt, what should you do? So the answer is, we must always inform an adult like our parents or teacher. So जब भी कोई चोट लगे या whenever you are hurt or you see somebody else getting hurt, you should always either tell your parents or your teacher. So we must always inform an adult like our parents or teacher. So students, that is all for this chapter. We will end this chapter now, and for your homework I will like you all to revise the question answers and the bookwork that we have done and learn it so that it's easier for you for your exams. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.